Hi, I'm Dan, and today I'll be replacing the lamp on this Mitsubishi HC4000 high-definition digital video projector. This is a lamp that I purchased from projectorpeople.com. It was about $270. This was a OEM lamp, as what the website or what they had told me. You can get these for cheaper, down around the $100 range, but those are basically refurbished lamps with questionable lamps in them, and a lot of reports say that those last only about 400 to 600 hours, and really these should be lasting about 4,000 or 5,000 hours. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and replace the lamp on here. To start out with, there's a little tab right down here which you just pull out. There's a little Phillips screwdriver or screw under there. So let's just back that out. Want to make sure you can see me undoing the screw, just in case someone doesn't know how to do that. Do this like a airline safety demonstration. And there's the lamp housing. Now, let me go ahead and get the new one ready. That way you can compare what it actually is. And you want to be very careful not to touch the lamp itself with your fingers, because any oils on there can really degrade the bulb, and you really risk having a lamp potentially explode on you. So that's not a good thing. Okay, so here's the lamp housing. And it looks like it's a completely enclosed unit here. If I can get this out, there's nice one. Come on. There we are. So, looks like it's the same thing here. There's the lamp itself. And the polarizer, and it's all nice and enclosed, so let's go ahead and replace it here. So there's two screws down in here. We're going to undo these with the Phillips screwdriver. And I see the screws are in the new housing also, so these may be captive screws, so that's nice. You don't have to worry about dropping it inside your projector. Pull this straight up, just gently wiggle it back and forth. Feels like this one's not quite, no, it looks like it's out. There we go. And here's the old lamp. Oh, and you can see in there looks like there's some pitting and stuff in there, so just an old bulb. Definitely needs some replacement. Looks like dust or something in there. Alright, just look in here, everything looks fairly clean. There's the color wheel. Alright, so let's see, that's the one with the dust on it. This is the one without the dust. Make sure there's nothing on here that I need to be removing. It all looks pretty good here. And so, in with the new. Very carefully and gently. Wipe. Let's see here, is there some pegs or something that Looks like it's just getting that connector to line up just so. Come on. There it goes. And once it lines up, didn't have to force it or anything like that, it just went right in. Now we will screw this down here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, put it all the way down there. And see if I can. Here it is. Not too difficult, not too painful. And we'll put our little flapper back in here. That's all there is to it. And I will save the old lamp just in case something happens to this one. That way, if I have a movie night or something and something happens to this lamp, I can just put the old one back in and we can at least finish the movie. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up, see what happens. And I didn't reset the lamp timer yet because I'm curious how many hours is on the bulb right now, or at least was on the old bulb. And since I put the projector back up, I still need to go ahead and remount it or redo the picture. But hey, it started up. So here's some before and after pictures, and these before and after pictures were taken at the same on a manual setting with a digital SLR camera, so all the settings are the same, and I'll have little annotations to tell you what those settings were. So I guess time to adjust it now.